Environment, we have hardly the word environment often behind use on the television, in newspaper, and people are around us. So our ideas tell up that the environment is not which is used by hiring out. We said that we said work in a healthy environment and goal such environment issues in the chapter. You are earlier class you learn about the environment, what is environment, what is environment is most important for us, what is good environment, ecosystem, what are the importance, all organisms should as plant, animal, microorganisms and human beings as well as the physical substitute into with each others and maintains a balance in nutrients, all in integrate organisms in our area propagated with the non-living community on the environment for an ecosystem. This an ecosystem contained by biotic and abiotic things. Living organisms are abiotic and the non-living things are biotic. Example of that physical function like temperature, rainfall, wind, soil, and minerals. For example, if you will a general, you are fold different plant and as the trees, uh, flowers born did like roses, jasmine, sunflower, animal like frog, insect, and bird, all the living organisms under at that the abiotic components of ecosystem. So a general is an ecosystem. Other type of ecosystem are formed, pointed and located that are natural ecosystem with generally an crop field and human made ecosystem. We have since in earlier class that organisms can be grow and progress, content and developed according to the chapter 6 of biology, human life process, self suggestion ecosystem can by use often the organisms can made organisms can like suggested and state and ecosystems of the plant are making their food by photosynthesis by the help of carbohydrate, oxygen can use on this process. Origin Originally, organisms depend on the process that grow in the food that served the organisms with contain the food process, enzyme digestion for progressed on indigens for feed on the other. Imagine the system which you do are earlier the aquatic and happiness happens when our organisms derived the microorganisms compound, bacteria and fungi break down the dirt removed, and when progress of organisms, the microorganisms are the uh, decompositions, energy substituted that go into the soils are used on one more of the plant when it happens to the uh, garbage and dust, animal and plant that abiotic what the natural reproductions of the soil, taking plant events, the uh, decomposition are not there.